What's going down, everybody? This is Daryl, DWES Enterprise, and I just want to show you guys something. The importance of vacuuming. So this particular house, 2 bedrooms, 2 sets of stairs, an office, and a small little hallway. And they have a cat. I'm trying to open this. This is my third fill. So it took 3 of these to vacuum their home. So one thing about DWES Enterprise is we do a standard deep cleaning, which includes a vacuuming pre-spray, carpet scrubbing if needed, and then a steam cleaner.